So 4K looks at graphical solutions to simultaneous equations. Earlier in last term, we looked at simultaneous equations using the elimination and the substitution rule, and effectively we were solving things like 3x plus 2y equals 8 and x minus y equals 4. Add them together, 4x equals 12, x equals 3. If x equals 3, then y must equal -1. What that means is that on the axis at 3 and -1, that's where this line and this line intersect. It's the point of intersection. So we've learnt the algebra around simultaneous equations. Now we're going to understand that different straight lines intersect either once, or if they're parallel, they don't intersect at all. That there are two lines needed to solve simultaneous equations, how to check to make sure that your answers are correct, and to be able to use graphs to be able to solve simultaneous equations. Now keep in mind that if lines are parallel, they don't intersect unless they are identically the same line. So for instance, y equals x plus 4 is that line. 2y equals 2x plus 8, which is a different equation because it's 2y plus 2x plus 8, happens to be simplified to give you the same as equation number 1. So both of these equations are the same. So when I draw the second one, it sits on top of the first one, which means there are an infinite number of intersection points. Everywhere along the line, they have intersection points. So here I have an infinite number of solutions. So while the chapter says, yes, it's true, two lines that are parallel, there are no intersection points unless they are the same line, because the same line are parallel, because the gradient of this line is 1 and the gradient of this line is 1, and they both have the same y-intercept. So when we're working through 4K, keep in mind it's all around simultaneous equations.